Today we are going to talk about how to adjust column width and row height. For that we are going to firstly undo the changes we have done in our last videos. For that I'll remove all the styles here. Maybe just keep the last one. Save. Let's check the result. Now I want to collapse the border. So here for that border collapse property has to be used with the value of collapse. Save. Reload. Now let's say I want to use same width for all columns. How to do that? Let's check this column width. It is like 162. Let's say we will use 175 pixel width for all columns. It can be done in two ways. First way is here. TAs. We can adjust TAs or any other rows here. But for now we will adjust TAs. So here style, apply style, style attribute. Now width equals, let's say 175 pixel. Save. You see the first one. Let us reload. First one has changed. Now apply the same thing for the other two columns. Let us reload. All columns are now same width. But let's say we want to control it from here. How to do that? For that, I'll take the TA stack, and here these are all TAs. I will copy with 175 px, put it here, save, and remove all these. Reload. You'll see what we'll see is that nothing changed. Nothing changed. So currently this part is working fine. Now let us try another method using percentage. For that we have to first declare the table width in respect to page width. So this is the whole page, or actually this is body. So body has some padding on the left side, you see, before the table. So it will calculate with respect to the whole area here. So if you want to control the width in percentage, let's say we want 33% roughly, so 1/3, but let us not use that now. First let us put the width for the table width 100%. We want the full width table, so reload. Now you see we want to change the column width, all equal 33%. So here uncomment and reload. You see all 33%, 1/3 of the whole width. So this is the way you can adjust column width. Now we are going to talk about how to adjust the row height. Suppose the second row I want to increase the height of this second row after the header row. For that, this is the second row. So here add style, height. Let's say I want to use 55 pixel. Save this one. Let us check if the height changes. Reload. Height has increased. Usually for row height we do not use percentage, because in case of columns we are considering the table width, which is 100% of the body width, almost 100%, and then the column width are about 33% with respect to the table width. But we do not calculate row height similar way. Usually we use height in pixel. But if you want to control all rows height, how to do that? I will undo or delete this part, or maybe copy this part, cut and delete, and here I will take the TR and change its property, height property. Save. Now all TR are 55 pixel high. Let us check, reload. All are 55 pixel high. That is all for today. Thanks everyone.